Do you really know how your team is performing every day? Or are your KPIs scattered across ClickUp, Google Sheets, and spreadsheets no one checks? Hey, I'm Rahul Joshi, and in this video, I'll show you how to build a daily KPI reporting automation using N8N, syncing data from ClickUp and Google Sheets into real-time Slack updates and detailed email reports. This process helps your team save time, improve visibility, and make data-driven decisions more efficiently. First, let's understand the core platforms involved: ClickUp for project management and Google Sheets for data analysis. The first step in our 10-step process is to connect ClickUp and Google Sheets, often requiring an API key for secure integration. Step 2. ClickUp. Fetch tasks. This node pulls task data from ClickUp. It retrieves task status, priority, assignees, due dates, and time tracking details needed for KPI analysis. Step 3. Google Sheets. Fetch lead data. This node fetches lead and response data from Google Sheets. It provides a lead source, status, replies, and metadata used for lead performance metrics. Step 4. Merge. Consolidate datasets. This node combines ClickUp task data and Google Sheets lead data. It creates a single unified dataset for downstream KPI computation. Step 5. Code. Compute KPI trends. This node performs KPI calculations using JavaScript. It computes task metrics, lead metrics, sentiment analysis, trends, and overall performance indicators. Step 6. Set, format output data. This node structures the computed KPI data into clean fields. It prepares the data for Slack messages and Gmail HTML reports. Step 7. Slack, post dashboard snapshot. This node sends a summarized KPI snapshot to Slack. It includes task stats, lead metrics, trends, and overall status for quick visibility. Step 8. Gmail, send KPI report. This node sends a detailed HTML KPI report via Gmail. It delivers a full dashboard-style report with metrics, insights, and trends. Step 9. Error, trigger handler. This node activates when the workflow fails. It captures execution errors for alerting and debugging. Step 10. Slack send error alert. This node notifies the team in Slack if any error occurs. It includes error message, failed node name, execution ID, and timestamp. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you streamline your KPI metric syncing process.